Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on autocorrect in Gmail on your PC. In just a few simple steps, you can enhance your email writing experience with automatic spelling corrections. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by going to the Gmail website and logging in with your credentials. Step 2. On the top, click Settings. Look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your Gmail inbox. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Click See All Settings. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select See All Settings to access the advanced settings options. Step 4. Next to Autocorrect, click on Autocorrect On. In the Settings menu, locate the Autocorrect option. Toggle the switch next to it to turn on autocorrect. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled autocorrect in Gmail on your PC. From now on, Gmail will automatically correct any spelling mistakes as you type. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy emailing!